I won the geography contest in the school.
Geography contest?
Yeah.
Yeah, मुझे बताओ if you won the geography contest, tell me what is the capital of Australia?
Canberra.
What's the capital of?
Bratislava.
Ah.
Czech Republic.
Huh?
You mean to say Czech Republic?
Czech Republic, huh?
Bratislava.
Wait. What's the capital of Bhutan?
Thimphu.
Thimphu, how would you go? What's the capital of Hungary?
Budapest.
Oh, you know very funny on there. That's really well done. But you won. लड़कियां बहुत पसंद करती है लड़कों को उन लोग ऐसा होती है
मुझसे बेहतर कौन जान सकता है
क्या मेरी बात पकड़ी क्या मुझसे बात कर सकता है बहुत लड़कियां जाती पीछे
ये लड़के
दुनिया है मेरे पीछे ड्रिंकिंग में अरे
Now I can feel the essence of jealousy.
Essence of jealousy, बिलाल बचपन के दो भाई हैं आज कभी लड़की से लड़ाई
Right. We have different tastes.
Alright, good for you guys. But the answer is correct. Coming back to the answer, category was the right answer. Alright, well done. Question number 9. Chile की currency को, local currency को क्या कहा जाता है? Is it the peso? Is it the Philly? Is it the pagalpan? Or is it the peta? Yes, sir.
The first option.
Peso. What about Philly?
No. Peso. Because you know most of the South American countries they have a similar currency. And this Chile is in like Latin American countries. For such reasons.
Oh wow! Gold medalist winner. All 5 counts is correct. Well done. Good explanation के साथ. That's the last सवाल for the DVD player. And let's see what the question is. How many pounds are there in 9 kgs? 9 kgs में कितने pounds होते हैं? Your options are 22 pounds, 20 pounds, 25 pounds, या फिर 20.5. Alright, I think both of you went together, so one by one. दोनों से ही जवाब देंगे.
20 pounds.
20 pounds. अगर कहते हैं 20 pounds, फिलहाल आप क्या कहते हैं?
20.5.
20.5. Alright, Fry-Hasan says 20, Bilal says 20.5. सही जवाब है 22 pounds.
Oh.
Maths में कैसे थे आप?
I was fine in maths.
No. 20 pounds and 20.5. चलो.
Conversion अच्छी नहीं थी.
Alright, बेटा we come to the end of round 1 और round 1 के end पे देखते हैं कि हमारे scores क्या हैं. Okay, now we come to the end of round 1 and the scores are such. Well, round 1 के winner हैं Hasan. You have 10 points. And Bilal, unfortunately, you only had 8 points.
Right.
So, Bilal, क्या हुआ यार? कैसा लगा round 1 हार के?
So I mean second round है अभी.
Second round है ना?
Yeah.
And Hasan, how do you feel?
Barking dogs, tells them bites.
Barking dogs, tell them bye. Oh my God! And how are we going to move on to a break? Once we back to the break, we will play round 2. So stay tuned.
दुनिया के नजारे हम हैं. He's a Bollywood actor.
He's a Bollywood actor. Very true.